Botulism. Introduction. Botulism is a medical emergency. Select true or false. Correct. All forms of botulism can cause muscle paralysis and death. Which of the following are symptoms of botulism? Choose one of the following options. 1. Double vision. 2. Muscle weakness. 3. Slurred speech. 4. All of the above. Correct. Double vision, muscle weakness, and slurred speech are all possible signs of botulism. If you have these symptoms, make sure to seek emergency medical care. Untreated botulism can be fatal. Most cases of botulism are caused by coming into contact with an infected person's skin. Select true or false. Correct. Foodborne botulism is the most common kind of botulism. Recovering from botulism may take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. Select true or false. Correct. Botulism is a fatal bacterial infection. If it causes respiratory problems or paralysis, recovery could take a long time. Thank you for using Explain.